Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to make use of TradingView. And so the first thing is for you to type www.tradingview.com and you register with your email, and after that you come to this place. And so when you are here, I just want to walk you through the whole environment. I want to start with this box here. Right in this place, you will see this box here. These are two bars that I use on a daily basis, and so on a normal day it's not supposed to be here, but I brought them here for easy access. And so first here, this is where you see the time frames. This is where you see the time frame. You see the various time frames. And so you are seeing 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, because I was the one that highlighted them as a favorite to display on this place. And so you can see anyone I toggle on is out of the favorite. So that's where, so this is where you find the time frames. Here, this is weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. And here you see whether to represent this chart in line or in line chart or in candle. I use candle. And then the next one, this is places where you use indicators. Here I don't use indicator. If you use indicator, you type here, you will see all manner of indicator. And here, this is for backtesting. The replay mode. So replay mode really work for those that on a pay version. And so when you tap on it, for the free version, if you want to do a replay, it can only show you from daily candle. That it doesn't work with 4 hours. It only work from daily, because mine is not a paid version. I'm using the free version. Yeah, so that's the reason why it's not showing. And so this is the replay mode. What it does is that when you tap on it, it wipe off some history of the chart. If you want to do you can see what just happened. So from daily, you see the replay mode. So when you're out of it, this is really for you to do your backtest. You backtest your strategy, refine your strategy. That is what the replay mode is used for. Okay, my internet is lagging. Right, so we're back, and so that is for the replay mode. Then we have this cross. What cross help us to, you can see now. Let me tap on it. This is here among my favorites too. And so what it helps you to see the coordinates. You can see the price showing on both sides. It can show you price, dates. So that is what the coordinates help you to. You can see price is showing you price on this side, and it's also letting you know the dates for that price. So that's what the coordinate does. And so if you want it to be as your favorite, you just press star. Like what I just did, I took it out of my favorite, and so now I brought it back to as my favorite. This is an arrow. Yes, you to point on that in the direction that you want price to go. And also we have here the line tools. We have the trend line. We have all manner of tools here. So what I really picked here is the trend line tools, the horizontal rail. So that's what I use mostly from this place, and I highlighted it as my favorite, and that's why you can see it. You can find it here. And then after that, we have here the fib retracement, the gang boss. I use the gang boss as my entry, as my POI, point of interest. and also use the fib true as a fib retracement, which I use occasionally. And also here, and it's on my favorites. And I also have here we have here with a focus tool. It's focusing for a buy or a sell. So what I use here is the long and the short position. And what this long and short position does for you is to give you to direction of where after your analysis, where your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. This is for long, and for short, it's like this. It gives you your stop loss, your stop loss, your entry price, and your take profit. So this is what it does. I also have the ruler. The ruler is like a pip measuring tool. Just the same way, focus tool also calculates stop loss, take profit, and risk to reward ratio for you. The same way we have the ruler. The ruler helps you to calculate also the pips. We have this the brush, like eraser is an eraser. This is the arrow. An arrow, use it to point to the direction the rectangle to make a rectangle box. Also the path, use the paths for direction. So these are the most of the tools that are used. And then when you come up here, you will see, let's say for example, you did an analysis and you need to show it to somebody, or you need to forward it to either from TradingView to maybe a place where you can monitor the trade. You don't need to open your laptop. So we have, well, you can see this place that have something like camera, take a snap. So this is what we use. We use it to copy our trade. You click on it, you come to copy image, you can say download image or copy link. So we use it to copy our trade. Then you can copy it and paste it in anywhere that you want to paste it, it will show. So that's what it's used for. We also have here watch lists. This is what we call watch list. So on watch list you have the pairs that you trade. So on my watch list, these are the pair that I trade: UHF, gold. My main pair actually that I trade is UHF and gold. These are my main pair. But I also have like GJ and AUD, GBP AUD that I check once in a while if I see a very convincing setup. Maybe I don't have setup on this other two, I can just pick. But my two most pair that I trade is UHF and gold. These are the pair that I trade. And so you can see that is what I have here. And so how can you bring it to your watch list? You come to this place plus sign where there's watch list, you tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see here we have stock, fund, future, forex, crypto. So what you need to do if you are trading forex is for you to toggle on forex. And when you toggle on forex, you can see that you can type whatever page that you are looking for. You can type it here. Once you type it, then let's say for example, let's just type. Let's type. You see, this is Euro USD. The Euro USD, you can see you have tons of brokers. Take me, Oando, FSCM, Forex.com, Pepperstone, Ice, so Ice Market. You have lots and lots of them. And so just for you to click the plus sign and it will come to this other side. It will show up here as your watch list. So this is pretty it. And also we have these setting buttons. In the setting buttons, this is where, okay, on this place under the canvas, this is like my screen now. You could see my screen background is solid. I was the one that chose it to be solid, so this is what I use. So you can change it to anything. You can just play with the colors there. And after that, we have symbols. Symbols are your candle. So you if you see now, the candle representation here, normally when you open this, you will see green and red. That's what you see. Green, red, that's what you see. But I changed mine to, and this green means the bullish candle, and the red, this purple, means the bearish candle. I was the one that changed it. That was what I actually wanted. So you can play with any color. The borders, I made them black. Like at times you can see red and all of that. I made them black. The wicks black. That's what I wanted. And also the trading, nothing much here, nothing much here. Event, nothing much there. I think that's the two plays that you really work on, and after that you click OK. So that is pretty it that we have on this in TradingView. Like I said, I'm just trying to walk you through it for you to know the basic thing, how to navigate your way. Just like this play, this button here is to zoom out, and this is also to zoom in. Let's say this is work of this, you can see it's zooming out, and when you click on this, it will zoom you in. And this one is to move the chart sideways. You can see slowly moving the chart, and this one also is slowly moving the side chart to this other side. So this is pretty it. And also there is that when you want to delete, let's say all of this markup here, I can easily just tap delete. You can ask, it's asking remove drawing, remove indicators, remove 15 drawing, and so wherever you type on, everything on the chart will be cleared out. So that is what it is. That is what it is. These are just the easy way to use your trading view. I just want you to just open yours, play around it, and I'd like you to please subscribe and like this video. And so see you in the next class. God bless you.